Just Lauren Casey here now with the word on the wind.
Yeah, the word on the wind. Not just a windy night, wind to like the 10th power.
Yeah,
serious
here we go.
Wind business. I'm not going to be able to let Chi Chi outside later.
I know.
She's just going to take off. Airborne dog. No one wants that, but the winds are so intense right now. We're seeing power outages, down trees being reported across the area, and that is going to unfortunately continue as we head throughout the night and through the day tomorrow. I'm getting a live look right now. The Lehigh Valley, Bethlehem, the flags there are moving around. Yes, the trees moving around. The winds, they are just howling right now. Winds gusting to 45 in Mount Pocono, gusting into the 40-mile-per-hour range in Philly to 40 in Dover, and wind gusts so far. Reading 61-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported so far. Wilmington 51 miles per hour. Lower Bucks and Furlong near 50. Close to that, Morristown in New Jersey and Philadelphia, our highest gusts so far near 40 miles per hour. And starting to see some of these wind damage reports. Wires sparking with a possible pole fire in parts of Berks County. Seeing a lot of down trees coming out of Berks County right now. Also in Montgomery County, Collegeville, some power outages there due to some tree limbs down on wires. So do prepare yourself for the possibility of power outages. Down trees looking likely as well. The soil is so saturated. We're actually in the 99th percentile for that soil saturation in and around the Delaware and Lehigh Valley. So those trees just easily topple over. Could even see the possibility of some light structural damage with these intense winds. So prepare now. If you haven't already, secure that outdoor patio furniture. Want to charge up the cell phone, those important electronic devices, and place a flashlights nearby and check the batteries in case you in fact do see power outages. And now across the state of Pennsylvania, we're honing in on about 250,000 people without power because of these winds. On the backside of a cold front, our temperature is pretty stable right now, 45 degrees, but take it all in. It's going to be the most mild we're going to feel in several days time. As we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll be down into the 30s, but with the very windy conditions, it's going to feel more like upper teens, feeling like low 20s into the 9 o'clock hour. With our temperature at 34 degrees, we'll have sunshine all throughout the day tomorrow, but that's not going to help us in the temperature department. Storm Scan 3 showing us pretty quiet conditions after a rainy night last night, a rainy start today. Still dealing with maybe a drip or a flake up towards the Lehigh Valley and Poconos. Elsewhere, we are going to stay mostly clear as we head throughout the overnight period, and the winds going to be the major weather story. We're down to 32 degrees. Westerly winds at 25, gusting to 50 overnight tonight. Through the day tomorrow, wind gusts possible to 55 miles per hour, especially through the first half of the day. Mostly sunny conditions. Our high temperature only 40 degrees. Those wind chills will likely be in the 20s through much of the day tomorrow. Our high wind warning doesn't expire until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening as we head into Tuesday. Breezy, but much less so. 37 degrees. That's actually about 10 degrees now below our average. A lot of sunshine. We're still below average into Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures in the low 30s or upper 30s and low 40s. And then as we head into Friday, March 1st, we'll have a chance of rain and some snow to kick off meteorological spring.
You just make sure you weigh down Chi Chi when you guys head out.
Put some weights on her.
There you go.
Chi-Chi.
All right.
Hold her tight.
Lauren, thank you so much.